As an advisor myself, I fully understand that without a consistent stream of quality prospective clients, it becomes challenging to grow your business. But even more importantly, you must have the drive and determination to test and explore new opportunities with persistence. This drive and determination is the core of Loft Lead Systems. That's why Loft professionals have access to a wide variety of exclusive lead generation programs that you can easily plug and play into your current business model. And when you join the Loft family, you'll have access to multiple workshops at work, a client personality and behavior profile system that's changing the way Loft professionals approach prospects, proven direct mail programs, tailored and localized radio and TV campaigns, a comprehensive social security software and marketing system, client referral systems, multiple tax return programs, multiple appointment setting programs, and so much more. Call us today and we'll help you determine what lead system would best benefit your business and how to quickly and effectively implement them. And we'll discuss what new programs are making the Loft grade.